What's up, guys? This is Fahad with the California Dental Assistant Program, helping out the Vietnamese community. And yeah, let's have some fun. Really cool mobile dental office. I've never seen anything like this before. So I'm here with
Adam Bear,
and he's with Healing California, and we're actually here with a mobile dental office that he operates.
Wow.
And yeah, we want to know a little bit more about this, how long you've been doing this, and how did this even first start?
Healing California started in 2017. We've been operating at full scale since that time. We offer free vision and dental services to underserved populations.
Yeah.
And it's through a mobile dental van and pop-up format. I'm sure you saw the pop-up clinic inside. We travel to underserved populations throughout California, and we set up shop, and we rely on our dentists to provide the free services. We rely on our optometrists to provide those free services.
Hey guys, so we've been here for a little bit over an hour right now, and you know, as an aspiring dentist, it's really cool seeing these dentists work. You know, I'm looking at this and I feel very inspired about this is really what it's all about. You know, helping people that can't pay for dental care and stuff, and knowing that these dentists are doing it for free, it feels good. It's a cool environment, and I feel very welcome.
We got our portable units right over here. This is going to help us with the water, the suctioning. We got a bunch of assistants from all over California helping out today. So yeah, this is actually going to be a really good event, a really helpful event. And this is one of the things that you can do as a dental assistant to help out the community.